Home office furniture is something unique and has been crafted to suit the needs of an office environment at home. Most budding entrepreneurs find it difficult to find rented space. Thus, setting up an office at home has become the norm. A lot of dealers are now outsourcing home office furniture that can help people open an office at home. The main idea behind buying home office furniture is that home office furniture should help to optimize the space that is available. Utilization of space is very important. They can serve dual functions since space is restricted at home. There can be space-saving cabinets that can be used as desks for drafting purposes and so on. It makes a lot of sense if the home office furniture satisfies the space needs as well as the functional needs. The idea is to spend less and still create a wonderful-looking office at home. This can only be done with a good layout and with a proper selection of home office furniture. There are a lot of shops that help people select the best home office furniture. It also helps if they take the help of an interior designer. They would get a better idea about the various space constraints and layout formations for getting the most from the home office furniture. The need to use home office furniture is becoming more and more popular. With online deals, there are many varieties of home office furniture available. The catch lies in selecting the best home office furniture at a great price and yet gaining the maximum benefit from the office setup.